Hello. I've got an unboxing slash review for you of a clock. It's a mini little portable desk clock. It has some other features as well. It's $9.99 on Amazon right now, Prime shipping. It's from a company called WulaWindy, WulaWindy, and it is the digital alarm clock, LED desk clock with date, temperature, humidity meter, backlight, and weather channel, portable travel. So whatever. Easy to read, obviously, but let's check it out here. It's fairly basic, yes, but you know, clocks. We all need clocks for the most part. I mean, I know I have several of them around. You always need more, as far as I understand, as far as I know. They always seem to go and get used, and you know, everybody like, oh, well, I need one for my desk or whatever. But there's instructions here. Now here it is here. It does not come with batteries, but I do have some over here for a second. Show you in a second here. We got mode 1224 Celsius Fahrenheit, max min. ONS or ONSC off. Not sure about that one. It is, let's see, voice controlled switch. Yeah, apparently it is sound activated for the light. But here is a couple batteries. Here's the top. This is the snooze and the light. Again, it's fairly basic here. You do have the battery compartment here. Put in. Oops. In. Let's put this back on. Oops. Okay, we got a beep. There it is. The backlight there. It says 66% humidity, 24 Celsius, 75.2. It just came on, so I'm not sure, but the little thermometer I have at my desk right now says 74.3. So it's close, I guess. But let's see, mode, month and day. I guess that's the alarm. On, off, clock, month and day. Okay, that's the clock. Max min. Okay, on screen or off, I guess. I'm not sure about that. 1224. So I'm confused. No, it just moves. Okay, we have Friday. That's wrong, obviously. How do we set the clock? Function perpetual calendar, 3-level. LED sounding holes in the back. Okay, that's interesting. Basic operation. Press the mode. Switch between date and all modes. Hold. Oh, okay. Hold mode for 2 seconds to enter setting mode. Okay. Ah, the arrows. There we go. So it is now 12:37 p.m. Oh, there's no. Okay, whatever. So let's do this. I guess we'll change this to the 12:24 hour. If I do this, mode. Okay, so 12:24 hour. I don't know. In any mode, press the up button for 2 seconds to make 12:24 hour format switch. So 1, 2, that's a little longer. Oh, there we go. PM appeared. Okay, so, and then we have the date, which is 2016, no, 2018, and it is October the 2nd. Oops, went right past it there. Tuesday in mode, and here we go. And neat little clock. The viewing angle, I don't know if you can see this here, but okay, there it's lit up. Viewing angle kind of goes when you go that way, but looking at it from the top, the viewing angle isn't bad at all. This is, I guess this isn't something you'd want to have up on a shelf apparently. And supposedly this has It goes off, like I said, like you've seen this thing, it goes off. The display goes off, but apparently it has sound activated. Okay, tap. I don't know, it says clap. You can clap to make it go. Yeah, voice control function, LED light for 8 seconds, enabled by alarm ringing or sounding loud. Okay. Boo! Boo! Okay, maybe not. Alright, we'll just tap it. Also, I don't understand what the weather channel is here. I don't know. It's sunny with a happy face. I'm not sure if it's actual weather channel or something like that. I guess it's just a neat little picture. Because there's no way to actually, connect to the internet or something like that. Oh, function of the weather forecast. Oh, okay. When the temperature is below 15 Celsius, if the humidity is lower than 40, it's displayed as sunny. 41 to 65, semi-sunny, cloudy, rainy. So apparently if it's, really humid in your house, it'll be rainy. So, whatever. Try comfortable and humid. Function of 3-level pattern display. Different rainy, rainy, rainy. Oh, okay, that's the faces. Dry. I don't know. Okay. Whatever. Okay, and you can also see the maximum and minimum, apparently, of the ambient temperature and humidity that was recorded by the little clock here, which I guess is neat. The humidity is nice. To have their temperature also is nice as well to have in your house, I think. I know I have them by my desk, obviously. But WulaWindy, digital alarm clock, LED desk clock, with date. Supposedly just beep, beep, beep is the alarm mode there. But apparently I have the alarm on and I don't want it on. How I turn it off, I don't know. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But that's it. It's a neat little clock. I mean, for $10, I guess it should be fine. I mean, the only thing I don't like is this. As you can see, the viewing. If you put this up on a shelf or something, you won't be able to see it really. And also, it's nice you can just, kind of tap it, which is supposed to be noise, but you can tap it instead of having to hit the snooze button every time you want to see the light up. I mean, I understand it's a battery saving feature and all that. But it does look kind of nice, though. But that's it. Decent little product. Thanks.